Before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my backer channel. Please check the link in the description box below. So, without further ado, fasten your pants and let's get started.
Come on. It's been AI, this is. It's fucking AI talking. No sense though, to some extent.
Niagara Falls is littered with Tartarian ruins. There's also a Niagara Star Fort. The Niagara Star Forts were used in the War of 1812.
This is where AI goes a bit fucking weird now,
It's
isn't it?
interesting that most defenders of the Star Forts
Niagara,
lost their battles.
because it's
apparently they weren't too easy
fucking
to
bullshit.
defend.
Right? So, okay. If I hadn't seen those waterfalls, they don't exist. Alright? Okay, how many films do you want to show
Geometry
me?
of an apple encodes the pentagram and the torus.
You don't.
The torus, the geometry
Okay.
of magnetic
Unless you
fields,
actually drag
is
into them
responsible
falls
for the morphology, topology,
and let the spray right on my fucking face. Still not gonna believe you that they exist. Niagara Falls. Fuck them. I don't care. I don't care. They don't exist. They don't exist. Yeah. Anyway, good bot channel this is.
Because we live in an
Pets, you know what I
electromagnetic
mean?
universe,
But guess
ruled
what?
by
That's what
natural
bots
laws
are.
of proportions. The apple encodes both the torus, its cardioid, and the pentagram, which
Good job
encodes the
though,
golden
isn't it? Good
ratio
job
in
of pretending to
itself.
be real. As in like a real human person. With a soul. Spirit.
The Royal Pavilion in Brighton, UK.
Right.
You can notice the lovely Tartarian architecture with the antennas on top. This place
fucking
was
tarts.
utilizing free energy from the ether.
That's where the word tart comes from. You know that?
It's not because folks
Tart is all like fucking dolled up to the max. Tart. Do you know what I mean? Can you understand what I mean? Yeah, or do you have to get your sister or your brother to explain? Because your mum and dad fucking will probably know this, but aren't gonna be able to answer because, well, you know, what can they do? If you're gonna get past this, bit of fucking bullshit. You're right. Bullshit. Better fucking stop lying now. Look at myself. I'm not. Spot this, innit? Spot.